we're doing a new camera, so trying it out, make sure it works. Little unboxing. Gears of War 4 controller, Cog Armor one. I've got the other one, but that's the box, so we'll have to wait for the console to turn up. Let's see what we've got inside. Ooh, nice. Big Gears fan. Oh, and it's the lines are actually laser cutted in. I don't know. It's the first time I've seen a controller with the integrated top bit as well. So this is a new style controller. Is this the third time they've redesigned it? Because the first one didn't have the jack, headphone jack in it. Here's our controller. A little symbol on the back as well. I don't know. Can't remember picking that up. Yeah, just a little video. And I'll do an unboxing when I get the console as well. Yeah. So we've only got a couple of weeks to wait, and we'll be on Gears 4. Get my ass kicked probably. Alright, see you next.